What is up, ladies and gents, boys and girls? This is Moto Noir. How's everybody doing? I am doing wonderfully. It is a beautiful, beautiful day today. It's going to be in the 80s. It's so weird. It went from being, you know, in the 40s, 50s, and then all of a sudden, hello 80s. Hello 80s. Not complaining whatsoever, man. It's freaking nice out. It gets a little hot during the day, but, you know, this is beautiful. Spring is here, man. Spring has sprung. It's nice. So, I've been riding quite a bit, but I haven't been making as many videos as I'd like to, mainly because I dropped my helmet one day, and the mic broke. The mic that I use broke in half. So, you know, I actually glued it back together using a little bit of cement glue, and it seems to be holding. So this is kind of more or less a test to see if it's crap. I have two other backup microphones that I ordered at the same time I ordered this one. I've been using this microphone now for almost the entire time that I have been vlogging. So it's long in the tooth. It's, you know, lasted quite a bit of years here. I'm assuming it's like 3 years I've been using it. It's like before the pandemic and all that. But anyways, so hopefully it's working. And we will see. We will see. It's very much a ghetto rig. Like I was saying, I do have backup batteries, backup microphones, but they're in storage because we're still doing renovations on the new place, and everything that I own, all of my backup stuff is all in storage. So, you know, I kind of have to make do with what we've got going on here, and hopefully it's going to work. No telling. No telling. But yeah, I started reaching out to all my vlogger friends. You guys know I hang out with Ducati NYC. And then our buddy Lucas also has a channel, but he doesn't really post very often. But he has, you know, backup microphones. So I've just been reaching out to everyone. Just like, I need a microphone. I can't do my vloggy vlogs. What can you do? So today I've got to run into the city, grab our toolkit, and then make my way out to New Jersey, because I have to put off-roading tires onto one of our customers' bikes. So I get to be a mobile technician today. Yay! I don't mind that one bit. I don't mind driving, number one. Driving is fun, and I just get to listen to podcasts and, you know, drink some coffee and chill out. And then I get to put together or work on a customer's bike. I ain't got no complaints about that. It's better than sitting in an office or sitting, you know, alone somewhere, just researching potential partners and reaching out to them, and then maybe hearing back within a day or two. It's a lot better than that. It's nice to get out and feel like I'm accomplishing something for somebody. Man, I can't get over just how nice it is. I am loving this. Very much so. Very much so in love with what we got going on here. Alright, let's make this churn real quick. We'll make this churn real quick. But anyways, maybe I'll take you guys along, and we'll see, how easy it is, or not easy it is. We have to replace the two wheels that already have tires on them, and then also the chain, because it's a new sprocket. So we'll go ahead and replace the chain as well. So, all right, we're gonna go over, pick everything up, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Here we go. So, as you can tell, at our customer's lovely home, got my toolbox, got the bike all prepped and ready to go. Took the rear wheel off, gonna put new rear wheel on, and a new chain. Should be fun. Alright, so you can see we got the new rear wheel on. And now I'm just finishing up putting the rear linkage on. Get those all set up now. All right, kids, that was a little bit of a day in the life, if you will. Customer was happy, I'm happy, and yeah, pretty easy. Cake bikes are extraordinarily easy to work on. It makes my life a little bit easy. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys on the next one.